In the course that will follow another prerequisite course, you can navigate to the Enrollment Methods page. And from the Add Method drop-down, select the Learning Path Enrollment Method. Here, you can enable this enrollment method if you're ready for users to start accessing your course. You can also specify the default course role that will be assigned to users who are enrolled via this method. And you can optionally enable and specify a period during which users' enrollment will be valid. Next, from the Course drop-down, you can select the course that users will need to complete in order to be automatically enrolled into this one. In the course that you specify here, be sure to set up course completion according to your requirements. This will determine the conditions that a user must meet in order to complete one course and be enrolled into the next. You can then also select to add users to the same course groups as in the previous course. In order to do this, you will first need to create these same course groups in this new course. Finally, you can optionally enter a custom course welcome message that will be emailed to users upon enrollment. When you then click on Add Method, the Learning Path Enrollment will be created, and users who complete the prerequisite course will be enrolled.